Hey!
Welcome to Homestead How. It's day number 25 of us being on lockdown, and in today's episode we're going to build a raised garden bed with an old dirty log that we find in our yard, and our main objective is to prepare to grow our own food so that when the economy crashes after this virus is done, we can have our own food that we've grown ourselves and not have to rely on the grocery store anymore. One of our very kind viewers, who also recently sent me a multimeter, sent me this file. And I've never used a file like this before, so I should read the directions. Now I need to see if I got a 2x6 to be used as a cross member.
Our chickens are mad with us. They finally cannot escape. Alyssa said she found 3 eggs this morning already. Hello, girls. Are you mad at us? Are you mad? I know you want to get out.
I want to use this log I'm standing on, and I want to just simply slice it all the way down with the chainsaw. Then we'll have 2 halves of the raised bed, and then I'll use a 2x6 on each end, and it'll be a big raised bed.
Why don't you use your Alaskan chainsaw then?
Because I don't know where it is, and I don't need to.
Oh, okay.
So I'm that good.
Yeah, we'll see.
I should use it. Where is it?
This is pretty boring. Can you speed it up?
Is it speeded up in post-production?
No.
That was it. Alright, we got this thing sliced down the middle all the way to here. I didn't want to go any longer because I'm lazy.
I don't think you're lazy. It's just not working so well.
I know you're supposed to use a ripping chain, although I heard Wrangler Star and some others say it really doesn't make that big of a difference if it's a ripping chain or not. This is not a ripping chain. This was really sharp. I sharpened it 3 times. I think the fact that, I don't know, this is sappy pine and there was dirt all over the sides of it and I didn't debark it, it's probably making dulling the chain quicker, because this took forever. I watch all these YouTube videos, they always do a time lapse. I don't know how long it truly takes to go through a whole board like this. I would imagine it takes a significant amount of time. I don't know, this is long enough. That's like 10 feet. So we'll have a 10-foot raised bed. So I'm going to slice this way. See how crooked it is? Oh well, what are you going to do? I know it's crooked, leave a comment. It's crooked. Everyone leave a comment. Blame that on Jen. Oh, it's still really heavy. You think? Pretty crooked, but it'll still work.
me nuts.
I didn't get good sleep last night.
I didn't get sleep for the last 5 nights.
It's your own fault. At least I'm trying.
I was in the hospital.
True.
He's gonna harm you. Bambi.
Ow! Stop!
Oh, he's really going. Well, you're stuck, Bambi.
Of course it's right on a knot. Of course it's right on a knot. Of course! Of course it's right on a knot.
Hey, Andy. Bambi!
That's my spirit animal.
Relax, buddy.
Jen, did you do that? No, Lily said he's my spirit animal. I believe her.
No.
I'm actually starting to really like him.
There's your other spirit animal.
How to get a hernia. Can you hold this? Okay, it's gotta be up at the top, Jen.
That's what she said.
Oh, jeez. Obviously, it's so crooked because I did it so crooked. But
Get him over here first.
it'll still work.
Thanks,
Once you
Alyssa.
fill it up with dirt, people aren't even going to realize it's crooked. You just see the outside. It's not ideal. If I do another one, I've learned from it. No, first, can you fix my drawers?
Once you fix your attitude. Oh! Bend over, Emma.
Jeez. Look. This is what, every time I drive by, this is what I see.
Animals love him, or they're just trying to eat him.
Head itched. Poor guy. That's all he wanted. Nobody scratches his head for him.
Low-key?
It's my spirit animal.
Yeah, you can stop looking like my cousin.
Good boy. I had my head on backwards because I was wearing my safety helmet while I was cutting wood. That's so cute.
Pumpkin's eating you. He's eating. Ready, go there.
So there's the world's ugliest, most crooked, but free raised garden bed. It'll be nice because we can get on the other side like Katie is and you can weed or garden from either side of it. It's up off the ground so the soil won't be all compacted down like a normal garden, so hopefully stuff will grow a little bit better. Plus we got some good quality soil mixed in with it.
Aw, put the camera on Ray and Lily.
So I didn't film as much today, but we did get a lot of progress done. Anything we can do to make more progress in terms of growing our own food with the raised garden bed is a good thing. Jen and I both had a lot of other work to do for our business today to still pay the bills. And now it's starting to rain out, but I'm happy we got that project done. We got a raised bed and it's mostly filled up with dirt. Just got to put a little more dirt in it and then we'll be good to go. Now we got to figure out what we're eating for dinner.